Hello students, here is the question. The oxidation states of nitrogen in NO, NO2, N2O and NO3 minus are in the order. So this is a fairly simple question. We need to find the oxidation states of nitrogen in the given compound. So if you look over here, oxidation states of nitrogen in NO is 2 plus, as NO has an oxidation equation like this. X minus 2x represents the oxidation state of nitrogen and minus 2 represents the oxidation state of oxygen, and the total charge on the molecule is 0, so X becomes plus 2. Similarly for NO2, this is plus 2 times because there are two oxygen atoms, but the oxidation state of oxygen is the same. So the total charge or the oxidation state on nitrogen atom becomes plus 4. And once we have that, we look into the other thing, that is N2O, and we know that 2 times 2x, that is 2x minus 2, which is 0, and thus x becomes plus 1, as in this case over here. And over here we can see x plus 3 times minus 2, as there are 3 atoms for oxygen, is minus 1, and if we take the minus 6 to the right hand side, we get the value of x to be equal to plus 5. So we have this, and if we put them in order, this is the order that we get, which is option C. Thank you.